some Jesin, the powder here, my little container, a very nice candlestick mold that's quite big. I hope I've calculated correctly, by the way. My little whisk, and here we go. Hello, I hope you are well. Here we do again with Jesin. I am using two pigments from HomewareDesign, a red and a green. I'm putting on gloves because even if it's not too aggressive, I'll still prefer it because I'm used to working with products and my hands get a bit worried. Don't forget the equipment of security. So my spoon. I normally need, if I'm not mistaken in my quantities, I need 334 grams of powder. Yes, this mold is quite deep. If I make too much, it's not a big deal. I'll do another mold. It's very important to have the right ratio and the right yes, the right ratio. Up, another. Oh. Yes, a little bit too much, and that's it. I'm putting my powder away. And next, the liquid. I remind you that the ratio for Jesin is 2 to 1, 2 measures of powder for 1 measure of liquid. In this case, I need 164 grams of liquid. No. 167 grams of liquid. The right amount. The right amount. Oh boy, right on time. Oh, I'm so strong. Now, we are going to mix it all up. I'd also like to remind you that with the Jesin we have 20 minutes of working time instead of 10 minutes with the Jesmonite. That's great for people who are slow like me. Well, normally I do the opposite. I add the powder to the liquid. But as I add a large quantity of powder, I actually do the opposite. You have to scrape it all over. I prefer to do it in the other way around, putting the liquid in the powder. Yes, that's clear. And I scrape very carefully. Well, that's done. I've got my two pigments, which I shake for about 30 seconds. I'm pouring in a drop of this red, and I stir gently to get a marbled effect. You have to be careful with this, otherwise it will be completely red. Okay, that's done. Now the green. One drop, because the pigment is very strong. Oops, not the neck of the bottle. Oh my goodness. This is all me. Okay, one drop. Just one drop. Come on, just one drop. Oh, it's hard today. Come on. That's it, and I stir for the marbled effect too. A little bit with my stick. Okay, that's it. Now we are going to pour. Fingers crossed I've got enough, because really of course I'm going to have to do another batch very quickly. And I'm sure I'll have a demarcation. I'm going to wash it all off and prepare another batch. Well, I've made another mixture, and now I'm going to pour it upside down. If you like, where I put the green, I'll put the red, and vice versa. And you know, it's just right again. It's incredible. I complete my mold by scraping everything out of my cups. The quantity is really incredible. Yes. Well, then after my battery went flat, well, that's that. I kept on filling. I had a little bit left. I haven't divided up properly to make my two colors, so I left some green and made this simple little candlestick. Great, pretty, yes. I don't really like green, but frankly, this then green from HomewareDesign is really nice, yes. So that's that one done. Now let's move on this one. Oh dear, I'm really nervous about this one. It really scares me. And it's heavy. Oh, you have no idea. There's 800 grams or so of product. So obviously it's heavy. It should hold. It stayed out for a long time. But considering the amount of Jesin, it's normal. I'm trying to get it off the side, and then I'm going to turn it over to unmold it because I don't want it to break. I'll tell you that right now. Given the amount of product used, I'd be really annoyed if it did. And we will see what happens with the two coats. I have a little bit that's run, but no matter. It's really stressing me out. Come on, I'll do it like this. Don't break, please. And that's it. Now I'm going to remove the 2 candle hole. Oh, it's heavy. Goodness me. And there we go. Well, I like these 2 colors. It's not extraordinary, but oh yes, I like it. I took green and red, the colors of Christmas. So one way and then the other one. It's not bad. I'm happy. And I don't have any bubbles. I don't have any bubbles. The sides are so smooth. Oh yes, there's no bubbles. And the separation you can see here, well, it's not bad. I don't know what you think. You can tell me in the comments. But what I have here, I've got a thing here. What's this thing? Is there a mark on it? No, there isn't. No, I don't see anything. I don't know, maybe I did it. So, here we can use tall candles. I'm not unhappy. It's fun. And I can tell you that it's stable. No problems. It holds very, very well. So that's it for my little video of the day. Well, I'm sorry there were a few technical problems, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment, a little thumbs up. I'll see you for new adventures very soon. Take good care of yourself, and now, bye.